Hello traders, welcome to this series of educational videos that FXCM has for you. My name is David Londoño, I'm a trader and a market analyst, and today's video is about a top-down analysis about NASDAQ. Before we go to the charts, I want to tell you a few things about NASDAQ. It was history about it. It was founded on 1971, the world's first electronic stock market. Right now, it trades about $7.2 trillion. It's nearly 2,800 listed companies as of April 2015. It is constituted by the 100 technology companies, the biggest in the United States, and it is owned by the NASDAQ OMX Group. So let's go to the charts. Right now, as I always do, I do my analysis based on buy side, sell side liquidity and imbalances, the buy side or the sell side imbalances. Before I continue, just please remember these are not trading ideas at all. These are just insights that will help you through your trading path and development and some ideas of what's going on the charts. But the most important thing is about your own strategy. So this is just different perspective you can use right there. So right now we're on the weekly time frame. We're gonna set a profile right now of what's going on. So we have this imbalance right here, this fair value gap on the buy side liquidity. We have relative equal highs. We see this as buy side liquidity from July. And where we're coming from, we're coming from a sell side liquidity purge. It was those relative equal lows. As you can see, there is always a pattern here. We had these relative equal lows from August, September and October, and this is something I want to show you. We have right here, as we have on the buy side, we have the fair value gap here, which is right now our aim target. But before that, when we were going down, we were looking for what? We were going for this imbalance. The price wanted to rebalance right here, those prices, these fair value gaps over here. And something I found very interesting is that just above those imbalances that the price wants to rebalance, it set sell side liquidity as it is right now, setting buy side liquidity just below the fair value gap we're thinking to target, right? So right now I want to go down on our top-down analysis to the daily time frame, and I want to show you something. For example, if we refine our fair value gap to the daily target, we can see how it beautiful went to the 50%, the mean threshold of this fair value gap, and it set those gaps as well just above the weekly fair value gaps we have. Something I want to show you here is liquidity void. So we have, for example, fair value gaps in form of voids as well, for example here, but we can see that the price indeed trade within those prices right here. But in this case particularly, it is considered a liquidity void because the price was not trading at all at these prices at those moments, right? So this was a very important target to set when the price was gravitating, as you can see just right there on the 50% of that liquidity void, the main threshold of that liquidity void. That's where the price gravitated, giving us that solid kind of feel, we will say. This price were gravitating just right here, taking or giving us sell side liquidity because there were a lot of buyers right here putting their buys, just thinking this was a solid ground right here, and it went down. It captured those stop loss that were just under here, rebalanced its price, and then jumped very drastically to the buy side liquidity where we are right now. So we can consider kind of rebalance, we could say, or just, yeah, we can say rebalance on the sell side, just right here, because we can see that we also have fair value gaps is right here on the daily time frame. So we can consider some movements to rebalance some prices just right here, and then we can think about going up to rebalance the weekly profiles and capturing the buy side liquidity we have just right there. Those are, as as I was telling you, those are just some perceptions about what's going on the NASDAQ right now. But if you're really interested in trading this market specifically, I will highly recommend you to check our How to Trade the NASDAQ 100 article on our FXCM platform. We have everything right here, since what is NASDAQ to what is calculator, how to start trading NASDAQ 100. So we have everything related here in this article. And if you find this interesting or you like it, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your fellow traders if you want. For now, as I always do, I wish you a profitable week, good luck, and a good trading session.